Hey, my people. Hello, hello, hello. So today we are preparing for our special guest. We will be kind of like, organizing our very, cluttered uh, spare room for her. So, yeah, join me as we go about, you know, reinventing or repurposing this room. Okay. So, guys, you'll see that the machine I just used to clean, a little bit of, well, we don't use it much, but my husband plays his games here. It's this little machine. I think I got that from TikTok shop at some point. Very good in getting dust or whatever particles, dirt in your mattress. So try to get hold of it. I don't have the information, otherwise, I do the usual and share with you. And then, of course, you have to add bed cover just because. And then I brought some things, I'm repurposing things. The light from my office, portable light, and then just cleaning up around. Got a huge TV in here, obviously for the games that sometimes play. And then, yeah, let's look at. I also am repurposing one of my husband won some awarded work. So this basket you see here, I'm repurposing that. So got a little bit of goodie stuff. The one thing I like about this basket is that makeup cloth. It's black. It's, something that can help you not to make a mess, basically, in someone else's home. So I'm busy putting together bits and pieces, and you'll see those in a minute. Enjoy. Okay, guys, my favorite part of this is I don't use. Can you see the keys on the left hand side? That makes the room feel so relaxed. And I think I bought this also from Amazon. Right? Alright, my people. So here's our small little room ready for our host. You saw, I just added from what you saw, I added the lips, makeup in case she's tired, which you can also arrange it like you know, and then the makeup. This stand is so awesome. I bought it for my husband, but it's for, she can put it on the bed when she wants to. Who knows I can do it with TV and the console, but I try to make it a bit stylish. And then the charger for your phone. So I hope all is well. On this side we've got the TV remote and some storage space here. If you were here with us for 3 days, I've got a little blanket here that I actually want to put in case she wants to read her Bible, you know, and just chill. And then my little dustbin from IKEA. So, you know, easily can make this today. That's what we did today for a little transformation of our guest room. But, you know, I couldn't move the boxes, although at the top of the wardrobes. But yeah, anyway, I hope you liked it, guys. I really, again, enjoyed doing these things with you. Let me know on the video. Well, comment, like, subscribe. Love you for watching. See you on Sunday when we do our Definitely Hot Tea.